Hello, good afternoon. Eto, may inuwi yung anak ko na, bread, cheese roll. Kung tama ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung tama. Ito siya, guys. May merienda na naman kami. Yan. Titignan natin. Wow. Ito, guys. Yan. Ito, may cheese sa loob, guys. Ayan, masarap. Ayan, guys, ito yung cheese roll. Ayan, titikman na natin. Yes. Ayan, guys, may cheese sa loob. Ayan, tikman ko na. Masarap siya, guys. Very cheesy. Sarap. I'll cut this in here.